Fender welt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a welting that was used at various places over the years, and what it does, it makes a transition between the body and the fender normally.
Okay.
Because firstly, if you can find the correct color to match, it doesn't stand out, which is what we like. This is a dark red that we sourced.
Yeah.
It goes between the fender and the body normally.
Okay.
It also keeps the water out, keeps the dirt out. Dirt gets lodged in there. And also you got minor misalignments between the body and the fender.
Sure.
That smooths that transition, makes it correct. A lot of the factories used it.
Okay.
We use it if we can get the right color. Now you can't put red welt on a white car or something.
Yeah,
It
right.
just look
That's
horrible.
not going to work. Right.
But we were able to source this, and so now instead of interfering with the appearance of the paint, it actually
Yeah, it
kind of
just
complements it.
fits right in. It almost looks like a decorative thing, like pinstriping
It does.
or
And
something.
over here, Baltazar will show you how it's to be cut and trimmed and fitted. You go around the holes that hold the fender onto the car, and of course, when it makes a tight radius, you have to split it so it can make that radius.
And then he tapes it down to hold it in place to keep
holding it in
everything
place. You're going
lined
to lay
up.
the whole thing out. Okay.
Interesting. Yeah.
This is normally what the upholstery guys do, but we've had to take on a lot of this stuff. Baltazar and Tony both are skilled in a certain amount of the upholstery, and then John comes in and does the heavy lifting.
I see.
And actually makes the upholstery.
Right.
These guys are really good at doing this sort of thing.
Oh, yeah.
And you have to be.
It's interesting.
You can't wait around for John, so they just do it themselves.
Interesting. So
Yep.
this is how it's, obviously he's showing us he's got some carpet shears kind of scissors
Right.
and make those cuts and fit everythly so perfectly.
Right, exactly.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.